Honorable Muralidhar Rao ji, Manoj Tiwari ji, other esteemed guests who are going to be speakers this afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, my best wishes to Bharat Niti and the wonderful initiative you have taken to create transformation in the digital scope of spreading Sanatan Dharma. Leadership basically means protection. Leadership protects people. Leadership protects values. Leadership protects environment. And leadership protects skills. One of the most important tools leadership has is influence. As social media is increasing and expanding, we find that the word influence has taken a new meaning. If we ignore the influence created by social media, then we would be losing a very major tool in the hands of leaders. As we begin our discussion on the influence of digital media, let me begin with two important dates which have practically revolutionized the future of the world and also the future of India. The first important date is February the 2nd, 1835. On that date, Macaulay made a declaration to the British Parliament that the British government must take it upon themselves to create a transformation in India by educating Indians in the English language. There is a lot to be said on that subject, but then the whole idea of English being spread in India began. Fast forward, the second important date is October 4th, 1957. Now the question is, what was the historic moment on October 4th, 1957, 7:28 p.m., which has changed the history and the future in India? On that day, the Russians launched Sputnik, and the first human went into space. This had such a powerful influence on USA because there was a close competition going on between US and USSR at that time. When the USA realized that the Russians have gone ahead in this space game, the immediate response was to change the immigration policy. And the USA made an effort to invite the best scientists, best engineers, best doctors from across the world and roll out a red carpet saying that our country is available for you to come and explore. Very important change. The diplomatic relations between India and USA at that time were not as good as between India and USSR. But still, when this invite came, the top brains from India, including the scientists, engineers, and doctors, decided to go to USA and not USSR, and the reason was English language. And because Indians had been educated in the English language, it was easier for them to immigrate to US. And today, we find that the top 4 technology giants in America, including Microsoft, Google, Apple, Facebook, all of these, they are practically supported by Indian talent, and a vast majority of them from Hyderabad. So if transformation has to happen, I think Mr. Muralidhar Rao ji has chosen the right place to discuss today's context. And therefore, go ahead. As far as introduction is concerned, what is the perspective, involvement, and intentions? So, depending on which perspective you look at, countries like Germany do not think that the social media has such a major impact, whereas countries like America and India have experienced tremendous transformation and they feel the influence of social media is very strong. People get involved and people's intentions get expressed through social media. Next. What are some of the opportunities and benefits? Next. 7.6 billion population of the world, 4 billion internet users, almost 3.2 billion active social media users, 5.1 smartphone users, unique mobile users, and almost 3 billion active mobile social users. So, next. Crisis awareness, civic responsibility, contribution, coordination, and creation of community are things which are enabled through the social media. The numbers are mind-boggling. You cannot ignore these numbers. Facebook, almost 2.6 billion active users every month. Instagram, 1 billion monthly users active. LinkedIn, almost 740 million users. And Twitter, 290 million monthly active users. Go ahead. Next. As far as social media users are concerned, let us look at this very carefully, that the top 6 countries in the world, China at 926 million users, India at 350 million users, US at 231 million users. These are the top 3 nations in the world. China have their own platforms. India is primarily connected with platforms created in America, and we have more number of users than the country where these platforms were originally created. So therefore, India has a major role to play as far as social media presence is concerned. Next. The third element of social media has been, it has revolutionized the workplace. As all of us have seen, especially during COVID times, practically most of us have experienced working from home. People are connected digitally across different spaces. And we have realized that for many things we need not come physically face to face. The entire workplace has evolved and changed. Fourth element is revolution in education. That as the education sector grows in India, 27 crore students are in the KG to 12th standard. But you will be shocked to know that out of them only 12% of those who reach till 12th standard go into college. 88% of students in the 1st to 12th standard drop out and do not enter college. And therefore 12th standard is known as the education line of control. 58,000 colleges, 3 crore students in the colleges. But then the population in India is such that 71%, almost 850 million of India's population is under the age of 35. And gone are the days where education would be considered to be only till college level. Today, if you are not regularly evolving and learning, you will become irrelevant. And therefore, the online space creates a facility for continuous revolution in education. I remember when I was in IIT, one of my classmates, he tried to commit suicide. And that was because of depression and anxiety. And I was shocked. And then when I asked him, why did you try to commit suicide? He said, because I was always used to getting the gold medal, but this time I got the silver medal. And he could not handle that. And then I had 4 or 5 of my other friends who had failed in 3 to 4 subjects in college in the same exam. And they were moving around the campus blissfully, peacefully, as if nothing happened. And when I asked them that, hey, you have failed in subjects and you are moving around peacefully, how is that? And they looked at me and said, our philosophy in life is very simple. College में घुसना अपना काम है, निकालना college का काम है. So therefore we find that we have to move beyond the context of academics just for the sake of competitiveness and showing who's better than others. But we have to look at education in terms of edukari, means to bring out that which is within. And that was the original context of our Sanatan Dharma principles. Next. But at the same time, we have to be aware that social media also